I bring in energy logs, I like to stack them as high as I can. So hopefully it lasts almost a week. We've been pretty much just burning those. When we start our fires, of course, we use the bark and kindling, which I have to go get more of too. And then if you throw a piece of regular birch on to get your fire going, and then throw on a couple of the energy logs, it's awesome. It works out great. So, and then just, if you need to restoke your fire, we've been restoking with the energy logs. I'm actually pretty happy with them. This is still that first ton of seconds that we bought. If you haven't seen the video, it's right here. And we're just now getting to the end of them. I don't know how many more are left because they're tarped and I can't see them all, but we're getting to the end of them. So they've lasted a long time. It's been a couple months. I'm really happy with them. They are really messy though. I won't sweep in here for the day until I've brought in wood and the energy logs, and then I can try to sweep around a little bit. That's one thing about having a wood stove and firewood, and you can't keep it clean. Nope, it's never going to stay clean for you. We haven't had much going on past couple weeks, other than bringing in firewood, staying warm. We're running low on kindling, so kind of stressing out about that. Supposed to get a big storm tonight. Supposed to dump quite a bit of snow. So I have a couple things I need to do for the chickens. We do the deep layer method in the coop, so you don't have to clean it out all the time, and it helps keep the smell down. And then when you clean it out, you just throw it in your compost pile for your garden. So I need to put some more pine shavings in there. It's really kind of gross and getting kind of stinky. And with the snow that's coming up, I'll be shoveling walkways for them, but for the most part, they'll probably stay in the coop. You know, I'll open up the door, but if it's going to be too deep, they're probably not even going to want to come out even if I do walkways. So I want to get that bedding in there and make sure that they're comfortable and get that done before it starts dumping snow on us. Also, their door, I need to fix the door, and I'll show you what's going on with that. And because we haven't been able to do much outside, I've picked up crocheting, and I just made this messy bun hat. Look at this. Hey, I'm doing a video. You can't have my hat. So, how cute is that? I'm making another one in a teal color, and I plan on making more to sell, but for now, we're going to be doing a giveaway on our channel, and I'll do another video to announce it, the actual giveaway, but I'd like to be able to give this to one of our subscribers for the gals that are off-gridding. There's no reason why we can't off-grid in style, right? So let me show you what's going on with the chicken coop door, and I'll show you how I'm going to fix it. What? You all puffing up at me, huh? What are you going to do? You protecting your girl? What's up, little lady? See? How dare me try to touch your girl, huh? So he's going to chase after me. I'll show you what's going on here. So you guys all know that this is a temporary coop. So the hinge came out, and the reason why it came out was because the door is sticking at the very top here on the side in the door jamb because of the humidity and the weather. So I was having to yank on the door to get it open, and it ended up pulling the hinge out. So one of our friends told me to take toothpicks, break them in half, and put them in those holes, and then screw the screws back in there, and it'll anchor the screws in. And then take a sledgehammer and bang in the area where the door is sticking, and bang on, you know, right up in here where the door is sticking, and see if I can get it to move a little bit for the door to close on the top. So I'm hoping that works, so we don't have this problem again. Just need it to last through the winter. I'm excited to be able to do a permanent chicken coop in the spring. Start the build on that. That'll be really exciting. Alright, so I'm going to get busy on the door. Hopefully we can get that fixed really quick. And then I'll put the more pine shavings in the coop. I'm not afraid of you, mister. I'm still bigger than you, no matter how much you puff up. Look at him. He hasn't attacked anybody. He hasn't attacked me or anything yet, but he will do this when I come out. Quiet. I thought you followed me in here. I broke the toothpicks in half and then put both pieces in each of the screw holes at the same time, and then screwed the screws back in, and it actually felt like it was biting into something, so that just might work and get us through this winter. As long as I can get this right here to loosen up. You can see the gap, and then as you go up the door, not so much of a gap anymore. So that's where I need to take the sledgehammer and bang that out. But first I need to try to open up the door again without ripping out what I just did. Try the little one first. This one feels heavier though. I'm going to try this one first. Got it. That's much better. Now I won't pull that hinge back out by trying to open up the door. Nice. It's still catching a little bit, but as long as I don't have to yank on it, I'm good. Hey, quiet. That didn't take long. I'm really happy I was able to get that door fixed. That was some tips from a friend. He's a very private person, so I'm not even going to say his first name, but he knows who he is. Thank you very much. That's it. That's all I have. Quick little project that I needed to do because we're going to be getting snow either tonight or tomorrow morning. We're supposed to get dumped on. I wanted to get that pine shaving laid in here so that way they'd be a little bit more comfortable, and plus we can come in here and not gag. Until next time, you guys all have a good night. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!